to start. And then, ilaw na eh. Yan. So of course, nag-reset yung, ano guys. Nag-reset yung... Ay! Ba't ganon? Hello guys, so today we're gonna do a oil change. So bumili na ako ng oil sa Toyota Parts. Ako na bumili mismo. Filter and oil. Wala silang air filter, so I have to order that. But even though the malinis yung oil ng car, actually chinek ko. Siguro it's meron pang a good 60%. It's just that I don't know exactly when he changed that oil. And ako naman automatic when I buy a pre-owned car, second-hand car, automatic dapat change oil and filters kaagad. Transmission oil no, because it's super low mileage yung car. Tapos 2020, so feeling ko maybe in 4 years pa magpapalit ako ng transmission oil. But for engine oil, because it's not expensive guys, the fully synthetic with oil filters below 4,000, I think it was 3,850 pesos. So, papalit tayo. I'm here at Mang Dani shop. This is a famous shop in Alabang where I used to live. Next to the village, actually. And there's a lot of like Benz, BM of course. Yung BM ko, dito ko sino-service dati. Even my other cars, guys. It's a working shop. It's not anything fancy, but Mang Dani is the owner and gets the job done. Actually, he's here. Mang Dani. Ayan si Mang Dani. Oh. Yan si Mang Dani guys. So Mang Dani always takes care of my cars when he used to live in Alabang, and nagkataon lang I'm here in Alabang. So sabi ko, sige magpa-change oil na ako. So if you guys are asking what do I use, of course I use what's recommended, but you could use Liqui-Moly 5W30 or whatever oil or brand that you want. Ako, I use just the Toyota Genuine motor oil. The same what I used for my other Camrys before. So wala nang difference. So this one, this 2.5 liter, I think around 4.4 to 4.5 liters with the filter. Yan ang capacity ng oil. So buy 5 liters, so meron kang extra. For your next change oil, bili ka na ng another 4 liters na lang. Diba? Yeah, so everything's good. The radio that I changed, okay. Sulit na sulit. I noticed lang sa Pioneer parang mas mabilis siya mag-connect. I don't know I don't know if maybe it's the brand thing, I don't know. Then I remember I had the Chinese radio in the BM before that I just ordered online. It was good naman, it works well, but there's a slight delay kapag nagko-connect siya sa phone mo. But this one's been good. I like it. The Camry has been great. Hinato ko kanina, medyo hinato ko namang 130 entering Skyway, then I slowed down of course kasi mahuli tayo sa Skyway. So yun guys, hindi ko nilagay sa sport, so normal lang. It's pretty fast guys for a 2.5 lang. This is my first 2.5 because the old Camry, the XV30 was a 2.4 with less horsepower than this, siguro a good 30 horsepower less. And this is 181, 184 like I said. Everything works. Walang ka-problema. And yeah, we'll just do a change oil and I'll show you guys later. Hintay muna ako kasi nagla-lunch nila. Actually, I came here at 12. Kaya I told Mang Dani, let them finish muna their lunch. And I'll just wait here in the car. Wala nang problema yun. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Guys, may muso po. I remember nung bata ko, sang yung Mercedes. Yan, collab. Some people have this car na eh. Medyo common na siya nung, I think I was in grade school, common siya. Tsaka yung MB Mercedes van na Mercedes na Sangyong ang, you know, may cats pa na sticker, guys. Cats Motors. Well, it still runs, I guess, guys. Hindi ko alam kung diesel lang to or gas. Let me know in the comment section if you're familiar with this Muso. Yeah. Pero feeling ko gas siya. Wala nakalagay na D or ano, something. Yeah. Paper type element. Caskets. Ito, hindi ko alam. Ano to, guys? Interesting. Tama ko sir. Diba, palitan mo na. Ano na lang, spare. Oo nga, no? Oh, original pa rin pareho, no? Original. Palitan na. Oo nga, no? Bago po. Pero meron pa rin, kahit pa paano. Lexus rin. Kenneth, galingan mo, ha?
Wala na lang. Ganyang, ano.
Malaki bonus mo, Kenneth. Ang change oil ko, naging pang transmission oil eh. Hindi change oil. So guys, we're here in my parking lot because of course I bought a pre-owned Camry, so hindi ko alam kung kailan pinalit yung battery, but wala naman signs na masama yung battery, guys. But because I'm going to Baguio soon and I don't want to deal with, you know, biglang magsusstall yung kotse or whatever, palitan ko na. So originally ito Motolite DIN 55, so we're gonna go with Ameron DIN 60, so it's the same ano naman size. So this is 24 months. So akit na si Kuya, then papalit na yung battery. Yun guys, if you buy pre-owned, I suggest, unless the person who sold you the car has a receipt na may warranty pa yung battery. But in my case, kasi wala, for me, it's better just to spend on a battery. So this was 7,400 minus 400 on the trade-in. So I'm sure this battery can still last a couple, baka 6 to 1 year, but for safety, palitan na natin yung battery. So guys, yun lang. So 510 yan kuya, no? Yung battery ko.
510 yung kwan, sir.
510 yung reading niya. Yan, 900 plus. 905. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice.
Pre-resistance lang yan, sir. Okay lang.
Yung kotse?
Opo. Yung oras lang, sir.
Anong ibig sabihin?
Marireset yung oras. Ay, hindi. Lagyan na lang natin, sir, ng OBD. Ay, wala pa ng OBD. Yung oras, sir, mababago lang.
Oo, tama. Diba pag nag-unplug ng battery? Okay lang.
lang.
Adjust, iayos ko na lang. To start. Ano, ilaw na eh. Yan. So, of course, nag-reset yung, ano guys. Nag-reset yung... Ay! Ba't ganon? So yun guys, so we're back in the condo. Anyway, yun na, nagpalit na tayo ng battery. So, I chose Ameron. I used Ameron before guys and I had no problems. Actually, they lasted more than 2 years, more than the warranty. I use M-Track, I use Motolite. I haven't used Varta kasi I always hear about Varta now, especially for AGM batteries or cars that have also start-stop. Luckily, my Camry walang ganon, so I don't need to worry about that. It's just a normal battery. But it's good. Amaron's very good. I had no problems. Motolite, no problems. M-Track. Let me know ano pang magagandang car batteries, guys. But yun ang tatlo na nagamit ko na na batteries. So, yeah. This one costs, like I said, 7,400 minus the trade-in. So, naging 7,100. The 300 pesos lang yung trade-in na battery. But good to see na pina-check niyo yung health ng old battery ko. Just to see na, sobrang baba compared to the new battery. So, I decided, even if wala naman symptoms of a low battery sa car, walang hard starting, walang dimming of lights, I decided to just buy a new battery just for peace of mind for at least 2 years kasi 24 months naman yung warranty ng Amaron. So, this was the Amaron Pro DIN 60 kasi DIN 55 sa Motolite, DIN 60 sa Amaron. Sa iba, I don't know. I'm sure there's kumaga similar size battery for each brand. So yeah, so I got it online dito sa may Makati, so malapit lang. It took them literally 20 minutes to get here from the condo to from their place to the condo. Mabilis sila, which is good because unfortunately sa iba that I was supposed to get, dapat yesterday. Until today, it took them so long. Hindi sila nag-message sa akin kahit sa morning. So, sabi ko, I had to cancel that one. And I had to look for another supplier. Sometimes ganun naman. Because nakulangan sila ng rider, sabi ng suppliers. But that's fine. It happens. But I needed the battery kagad because I'm leaving for Baguio soon. And I don't wanna risk it, diba? So, yan. Amaron's good. And I'll vlog. I'm gonna bring the Camry all the way to Baguio. So, sort of long trip, 4.5-hour drive. And we're just gonna go around Baguio, enjoy before the Christmas rush ng Baguio and New Year rush. So, we always go to Baguio. We just stay there and chill. So, let's bring the Camry and we'll vlog there and see how it is driving a nice, comfortable sedan all the way to Baguio City. Paakyatan, let's use the sport mode kasi hindi ko pa ginagamit. Because in Makati lang naman ako, guys, so laging traffic, laging naka-eco mode ako or normal mode kung I feel like, kasi pag eco medyo yung throttle response is very weak, kumbaga, kasi nga you're trying to save on fuel. But the camera has been good. Had it for couple of weeks now. Siguro yung papalitan ko na lang is the tint sa front kasi super dark yung tint sa front, so medyo mahirap. I might just put medium tint. Eventually, siguro in the coming months, I'll replace that. So I'll see you in my next vlog. And yeah, more Camry content. I'll do content with the other cars as well. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Always take care. Goodbye. Peace.